Good morning. Could you please state your full name and provide your identification?
Good morning. My name is Emily Anderson, and here is my ID.
Thank you, Emily. Today, we will be discussing the topic of current events. Let's start with some questions related to this topic.
Of course, I'm ready.
Great. How often do you follow the news and current events?
I make it a habit to read the news every morning, and I also keep up with current events through online news websites and social media platforms.
That's good to hear. In your opinion, why is it important for people to stay informed about current events?
Staying informed about current events is crucial because it helps individuals understand what's happening in the world around them. It allows us to make informed decisions, participate in discussions about important issues, and be aware of developments that might affect us directly or indirectly.
I agree. News often includes topics related to politics. What are your thoughts on the role of politics in shaping current events?
Politics plays a significant role in shaping current events as political decisions and actions can have far-reaching consequences on various aspects of society. Policies made by governments can influence economies, social welfare, and international relations, which are often discussed in the news.
That's a thoughtful perspective. Moving on, can you provide an example of a recent news story that caught your attention and explain why it interested you?
Certainly. One news story that intrigued me was about the advancements in renewable energy technology. The article highlighted how several countries are investing heavily in sustainable energy sources, which is not only positive for the environment but also has economic implications. I found it fascinating because it demonstrates the global shift towards more sustainable practices.
It's great to see your interest in such a relevant topic. Now, let's discuss social issues. In your view, how does the media contribute to raising awareness about social issues?
The media plays a crucial role in raising awareness about social issues by bringing them to the forefront of public discourse. News outlets often cover stories related to inequality, human rights, and other societal challenges. This coverage not only informs the public but also puts pressure on decision-makers to address these issues.
Well explained. Lastly, do you think people's opinions on current events are influenced by the media they consume? Why or why not?
Yes, people's opinions on current events can be influenced by the media they consume. Different media outlets may present news stories from different angles, with varying degrees of bias. Depending on where individuals get their information, their perceptions and opinions about certain events can be shaped accordingly. It's important for individuals to seek a variety of sources to gain a well-rounded perspective.
Thank you, Emily. You've provided insightful answers to our questions today. This concludes our discussion on current events.
Thank you. It was a pleasure discussing this topic with you.